Homemade chipotle sauce, smoky and spicy. Introduction. Chipotle sauce is a versatile and flavorful condiment that adds a smoky and spicy kick to a variety of dishes. Whether you want to spice up your tacos, grilled meats, or even use it as a dipping sauce, homemade chipotle sauce brings a unique flavor profile to your meals. In this article, we will explore the art of making chipotle sauce from scratch, as well as discuss its delectable taste and culinary uses. What is chipotle sauce? Chipotle sauce is a type of condiment made primarily from chipotle peppers. Chipotle peppers are smoked and dried jalapeno peppers that have a distinctive smoky flavor. When combined with other ingredients such as tomatoes, garlic, onions, and spices, these peppers create a sauce with a rich, deep flavor that adds complexity to any dish. Making homemade chipotle sauce. To make your own homemade chipotle sauce, you will need the following ingredients: 10 to 12 chipotle peppers, dried or canned in adobo sauce, 2 tomatoes, diced, 1 onion, chopped, 4 garlic cloves, minced, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, preferably apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon of honey or agave syrup, optional, for sweetness, salt, and pepper to taste. Instructions. 1. If using dried chipotle peppers, start by rehydrating them. Place the dried peppers in a bowl and cover them with boiling water. Allow them to sit for about 30 minutes until they become soft. Skip this step if you're using canned chipotle peppers in adobo sauce. 2. In a saucepan, heat olive oil over medium heat. Add the chopped onion and minced garlic, sautéing them until they become soft and translucent. 3. Add the diced tomatoes and chipotle peppers to the saucepan, stirring them together. Cook for about 5 minutes until the flavors meld together nicely. 4. Remove the mixture from the heat and let it cool for a few minutes. 5. Use a blender or food processor to puree the mixture until smooth. If the sauce is too thick, add a little water or vegetable broth to achieve the desired consistency. 6. Pour the sauce back into the saucepan and place it over medium-low heat. Stir in the vinegar, honey or agave syrup, for sweetness, salt, and pepper. Simmer for an additional 10 to 15 minutes to allow the flavors to develop. 7. Once the sauce has cooled down, transfer it to airtight containers and refrigerate. Homemade chipotle sauce can typically be kept in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks. Flavor profile and culinary uses. Homemade chipotle sauce offers a unique balance of smoky and spicy flavors that can enhance various dishes. The smokiness derived from the chipotle peppers gives the sauce a distinct earthy flavor, while the heat adds a fiery kick. The sauce's versatility allows it to be used in a multitude of ways, such as 1. Tacos and burritos. Add a dollop of chipotle sauce on your favorite tacos or burritos for an instant flavor boost. 2. Grilled meats. Marinate your choice of meats, such as chicken or beef, in chipotle sauce before grilling them to perfection. 3. Dipping sauce. Serve the chipotle sauce as a dipping sauce for chicken tenders, fries, or even as a condiment for sandwiches. 4. Salad dressing. Mix chipotle sauce with a little mayonnaise, lime juice, and salt, and use it as a smoky dressing for salads. 5. Marinades and glazes. Create mouth-watering marinades or glazes by combining the sauce with other ingredients like soy sauce, ginger, and garlic. Sure! Here's the continuation of the article. Safety and storage tips. When making homemade chipotle sauce, it's essential to follow proper Safety and storage guidelines to ensure its freshness and longevity. Here are a few tips to keep in mind. 1. Handling chipotle peppers. While chipotle peppers add fantastic flavor to the sauce, they can be quite spicy and may irritate your skin. It's recommended to wear gloves when handling them to avoid any discomfort or accidental contact with your eyes. 2. Adjust heat levels. The spiciness of chipotle peppers can vary, so it's important to taste your sauce as you go along and adjust the heat levels to suit your preference. If you prefer a milder sauce, consider removing the seeds and membranes from the peppers before using them. 3. Storing the sauce. To maximize the shelf life of your homemade chipotle sauce, store it in airtight containers in the refrigerator. This helps to preserve its freshness and prevents any contamination. It is recommended to consume the sauce within 2 weeks for the best quality. 4. Freezing the sauce. If you have made a large batch of chipotle sauce or want to extend its shelf life, freezing is a great option. Portion the sauce into freezer-safe containers or ice cube trays for easy thawing and use in the future. Frozen chipotle sauce can last for up to 3 months without compromising its taste. Experiment and enjoy! Now that you have a comprehensive recipe and culinary ideas for homemade chipotle sauce, it's time to get creative in the kitchen. Don't be afraid to experiment with different variations, such as adding herbs like cilantro or spices like cumin to further enhance the flavors. The key is to customize the sauce to your taste preferences and explore how it can elevate your favorite dishes. Whether you're hosting a gathering, preparing a special meal, or simply want to enjoy a flavor-packed condiment, homemade chipotle sauce is certain to delight your taste buds. So, gather the ingredients, follow the recipe, and let the smoky and spicy wonders of chipotle sauce enhance your culinary adventures. Remember, practice makes perfect, and with each batch you make, you'll refine your technique and develop your signature chipotle sauce. Enjoy the process, and most importantly, savor every delicious bite that this exceptional sauce brings to your meals. Happy cooking! Certainly! Here's the continuation of the article: Health benefits of chipotle sauce. In addition to its incredible flavor, homemade chipotle sauce offers some surprising health benefits. Let's take a look at a few. 1. Rich in antioxidants. Chipotle peppers contain antioxidants, such as vitamin C and beta-carotene, which can help protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. Including chipotle sauce in your diet can contribute to your overall antioxidant intake. 2. Boost metabolism. Chipotle peppers contain capsaicin, a compound known to boost metabolism and increase fat burning. Adding chipotle sauce to your meals may help support weight loss efforts and improve metabolic function. 3. Promotes heart health. Chipotle peppers are a good source of potassium, which plays a crucial role in maintaining a healthy heart. Including chipotle sauce in your diet, in moderation, may contribute to heart health and help lower blood pressure levels. 4. Supports immune function. The vitamin C found in chipotle peppers can strengthen your immune system and help ward off illnesses. By incorporating chipotle sauce into your meals, you can provide a flavorful boost to your immune function. Using chipotle sauce in everyday cooking. Now that you have a good understanding of chipotle sauce and its benefits, it's time to explore its versatility in everyday cooking. Here are some delicious ideas on how to incorporate chipotle sauce into your favorite dishes. 1. Tacos and burritos. Add a dollop of chipotle sauce to your tacos or burritos for a tangy and smoky flavor. It complements various fillings such as grilled chicken, roasted vegetables, or even scrambled eggs. 2. Grilled meats, use Chipotle sauce as a marinator glaze for grilled meats like steak, chicken, or pork. The smoky heat of the sauce adds depth and complexity to the flavors of the meat. 3. Dips and spreads, mix Chipotle sauce with mayonnaise or Greek yogurt for a creamy and spicy dip. It goes well with vegetable sticks, tortilla chips, or as a spread on sandwiches and burgers. 4. Roasted vegetables, toss roasted vegetables such as sweet potatoes or cauliflower, in Chipotle sauce before baking. The smoky and spicy flavors will make your veggies more exciting and delicious. 5. Salad dressings, create a bold and flavorful salad dressing by combining Chipotle sauce with olive oil, lime juice, and a touch of honey. Drizzle it over your favorite greens for a zesty and satisfying salad experience. Incorporating homemade Chipotle sauce into your everyday cooking will undoubtedly elevate your meals and ignite your taste buds. Don't be afraid to experiment and find your preferred way of enjoying this incredible condiment.